Hi Kipsters, today is October 23rd. We are in day 43, and today you're going to review Fever chapters 25 and 26. So for your do now, you should have already thought about, have you ever had a bad fever? What did it feel like, and what did you do to feel better? In our last chapter, at the very end of the chapter, we found out that Nell, Robert, and William, all of the younger kids, got yellow fever. Part of that is having an actually really bad fever. So I want you to think about what it might be like for those kids to have that fever and what Maddie and Eliza might be doing to care for them. So now we're in our intro to the lesson. You're going to see a number of sections where you are fast forwarding. So we're only reading the most important sections of chapters 25 and 26. In these sections, they're going to describe what the kids look like. Part of that is that they have yellow bloodshot eyes, so they have eyes that look kind of like this. That's the primary way that you know that someone has yellow fever, if they also have a fever, that disease is going around. We're also going to see Maddie and Eliza disagree about whether or not to bleed the kids. Remember, cutting someone open and having a little bit of the blood drain out at the time was thought of as a really good way to treat disease. They thought you could get the bad blood out. So we're going to see them disagree as to whether or not those little kids should be bled. In chapter 26, Eliza's going to wake up to find frost on the ground. So it's going to be cold enough that everything, all the plants have that little film of iciness around it. Later on, Maddie's going to be able to go back to the market because the market has opened up again, and she's going to run into somebody from earlier chapters. So make sure that you're paying attention to these 5 events specifically as the big events of our chapter. Again, you're going to have a lot of sections where you fast forward. When you click on the audio, it's going to switch between the professional reader and me reading these fast forward parts. Don't forget to answer your questions on the side and look on the sides for extra help. And also don't forget at the very end to click on the link so that you can complete your exit ticket.